Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Wipro of Campus Drive 2021. So definitely guys, देखिए पहले क्या था कि आपका WILP phase 1 आया था. We have already discussed about the phase 1, or if I call about the recently recruitment of WILP. So there is again recruitment of WILP. So they are hiring again definitely. So in this video we will be discussing about the selection process, eligibility criteria, your educational your qualifications, and your salary, or we call it a stipend. So guys, before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that if there is any update, so you will get it earlier. So guys, in addition to it, so we also wanted to tell you that we have already prepared a preparation strategy, or we call it a preparation videos for TCS Smart Hiring. So guys, your TCS Smart Hiring, that exam that recently conducted, so that is similar to your TCS, that is in your August session, that I am talking about your TCS exam that is going to be occurred in. So yes, I am talking about your TCS NQT that is recent, that will be occurred in, I guess, in your August or last of the week of the August. So if you wanted to prepare, because guys, I think today is 9 and I think your exam is on 31st. So you have roughly 20-21 days. So this is a good time, and we have already done a hard work in preparing the strategy videos that are completely free of cost, so you do not have to pay anything. So go and watch the videos. We have made a proper playlist for that, and each and every topic is covered in detail. So if there is any need or a comment from the students, so definitely we will add some more videos, but till now they are sufficient. So I suggest you start watching the videos, and if you are watching someone other's videos, so definitely you can go there, but you can also watch our videos also. You can watch a single video in a day, getting, so that will be really helpful. And if you wanted to know more, so I'll suggest you ask our students that are in our Telegram groups, so what we have done, and they are really satisfied. And if you also wanted to know something more, so please go to the videos, your comments, and you can see the comments from the students. Are they really satisfied, or what we taught is there that really helped in their exams to qualify the TCS, getting. So this is all about TCS, the exam which will be occurred, I think, which will be occurred on your 31st August. Some of our students texted because so guys, as you can see on the screen, so that is your event phase 2 WILP hiring financial year 2021. So guys, let me add one more thing, that I have not personally checked it, but some of our students have texted that they are hiring again. So that is why I'm making this video for you guys. So now this is your JD. I think everyone knows about it, or if you still have any doubt about WILP or how it works, so you can watch our previous videos, getting. So after that, now talking about your qualifications. So as you can see, your education is 10th, 12th, and your graduation with 60%. After that, your year of passing is your 2021 only. After that, this is your qualification. So your BCA and your BSc are eligible. And in BSc, you can see the eligible streams are your CS, that is computer science, IT, mathematics, statistics, and electronic and physics, getting. After that, your other criteria are mandatory to have maths. That means you must have a mathematics as a core subject. That means your mathematics should be there, like your business maths and your applied maths are not eligible. Means if you have applied maths or you have business maths, so that means you are not eligible, because core maths means you have to be having a subject of core mathematics in your graduation. After that, you can see maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. So that means your 10th, 11th, 12th, that means there is a 2 year gap. So that means after 12th you can have only 1 year of gap. After that, you can see 10th, 12th, all areas and backlog need to be cleared at the time of selection process. So at the time of selection process, your all the backlogs should be cleared. So now you can see Bhutan, Nepal nationals need to submit the citizenship. After that, you can see your stipend, so that means your salary. So your first year salary will be your 15,000 plus 488, that means 15,500. And your second year will be 17,500, and third year will be 19,500 approx. And after that, from the fourth year, so you are going to have 23,000. So guys, now talking about your service agreement, so definitely you have a service agreement of 5 years. Yes, definitely you have a service agreement of 5 years. So guys, now talking about your last date to apply is your 22nd August. That means this is updated. That is so that they were telling me, the students were telling me that it is updated, sir. So yes, because if the last date it is your 22nd August, and today is 9 August, so definitely it has been updated. So guys, you can go and fill the form. So guys, now after this you can see your selection process. So there will be an online test only of 80 minutes, and in your 80 minutes what will be there? Your verbal, analytic, and your quantitative reasoning. That means your arithmetic and English and your reasoning. After that they will be having a 20 questions, 20 minutes, and 20 minutes written communication test will be there. That means 60 minutes question will be there, mean your aptitude test will be there, and for 20 minutes you have to write something like whatever they will be giving you about a letter or essay or whatever. So there will be a written communication test of 20 minutes. So after that you can see, upon selection in the online test, candidates will be required to go through a technical interview followed by a HR interview. That means there will be three steps. So let me clear this also in your selection process. First will be your online test, in which you have to face two sections. One is your aptitude test for 60 minutes, and second is your written communication test. After that there will be a technical interview, and after that there will be a HR interview. So there are three steps. So now after that you can see, candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible. That means within last 3 months, if you have applied for Wipro, that means you are not eligible for this post. So you can see now last date to apply is your 22nd August. So guys, I suggest you do not wait for the last date, so go and apply it right now. After that your online assessment dates will be informed via mail. That means if you, when you will select, when you will fill the form, so after that you will be communicated via mail. So after that you can see this is their grievance mail ID. So that means if you have any problem, so you can ask them. Within 3 days you will get it, and the subject should be WILP 2021. Means when you will write the mail, so you must add WILP 2021 in the heading, or you can call it a subject. So guys, this is all about, so we have discussed about. So do not focus there about 3 months, because the last date is your 22nd August. So go and apply for it. So this is something good. So if you wanted to apply, or if you wanted to work in a Wipro company. So guys, this is all about today. So if you like the video, so please subscribe and press bell icon. And one more thing, one I added you in the initial. So if you wanted to prepare for TCS NQT, so we are providing you a good chance. So you can go and avail that. So this is all about today. And one more thing, if you have any doubt or anything, so join our Telegram group. So I will provide the link in the description, and you can join us from on Government Private Job Alerts channel. So this is all about for today, and I wish you all the best, and God bless you all.